Okay, good morning everyone. This is your Hindi teacher, Mr. Sanjay. So today I have here with a new topic there. Its name is Ling. Ling. Ling means what? Gender. Ling means what? Gender. Now you see there are two genders are there. Majorly two genders are there. One is masculine and second one is feminine. Masculine and feminine. So in Hindi, what is there? Pulling means masculine. Pulling means what? Masculine gender, and strilling means what? Feminine gender. Now see here, what is there? Pulling. Then how can we find out? How can we find out there it is a pulling or strilling there? So there is a definition. There is a definition to identifying it. How? Pulling. Which word indicates male? Which word indicates
Male.
मेल? दैट इज मैस्कुलिन, पुल्लन. जो शब्द से हमें पता चलता है कि यह नर है, यह नर है ना, उसको क्या कहेंगे हम लोग? पुल्लिंग कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल घोड़ा. घोड़ा, हॉर्स इज अ मेल, करेक्ट. हियर तोता, पैरट इज अ मेल. हियर राजा मीन्स किंग, किंग इज अ मेल. हियर मोर means peacock is a male. So these all are male words. So which words indicating about male? Which words indicating about male?
Male.
That is called pulling. जिस शब्द से हमें नर होने का पता चलता है, जिस शब्द से हमें नर जाति का पता चलता है, उसे हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? पुल्लिंग कहेंगे. इसके अपोजिट, अपोजिट ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज देयर स्त्रीलिंग. जिस शब्द से हमें स्त्री जाति का बोध हो जाए, स्त्री, फीमेल का. विच वर्ड इंडिकेट अबाउट फीमेल? विच वर्ड्स इंडिकेटिंग अबाउट फीमेल्स? दैट इज कॉल्ड स्त्रीलिंग. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्त्रीलिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल घोड़ी. घोड़ी इज अ female horse, mare or something word is there. Then mada tota, female parrot, female parrot. Rani, queen, female. Morni, hen, hen. Morni, what is there? Hen. So we understood now which word indicating about male, that is pulling, and which word indicating about female, that is, though it is human beings, animals, or birds, only that indication we have to see, that which word indicating about male, that is pulling, and which word indicating about female, that is strilling. Okay, now interchange of gender. Ling, parivartan. Ling means what? Gender. Parivartan means what? Interchange. So how can we change it there? How can we change it there? Suppose male is given there, means how can we make it female? Correct. Pulling and strilling, masculine and feminine. So when, now you have to keep it in mind there. So heading will be there, linga badlo or linga parivartan. If the word is given there masculine, pulling में अगर दिया है तो आपको क्या करना है? स्त्रीलिंग में करना है. और स्त्रीलिंग में अगर दिया है तो आपको क्या करना है? पुल्लिंग में करना है. If the word is given masculine, so you have to do feminine. If feminine word is there, masculine, you have to change it there. So now what are the techniques? What are the techniques to change from male to female? So that we have to learn there. Here some techniques I have given here, that you can see here. Now see there, here a ka e karna. Now you see there one word is there, one word is there here, nana. See there, here nana is there. End of the letter, what is there? Na is there, na. When you are pronouncing na, that a sound is coming there, a vowels is coming there. So when end of the word, when end of the word a or a sound will come, when end of the word a or a sound will come. So when you are changing it from masculine to feminine, so what will happen there? Ni, e you have to add it there, e you have to add it there. So how will you add now? Now you see here, nana is there, this a ki matra you remove there, this a ki matra you remove there. and E symbol what is there? This E is equal to right side of the letter, correct? So if this you will add there, so this Nana will become Nani. This Nana will become Nani. That's why the rule is there. The end of the word when A and A will be there. So what will be there? E you have to use and make it feminine. जिस शब्द के आखिरी अक्षर, जिस शब्द का आखिरी अक्षर अ या आ होगा, उसमें क्या करना है हमें? ई लगाकर, ई की मात्रा, द सिंबल ऑफ ई वी हैव टू ऐड इट देयर एंड मेक इट फेमिनाइन. द अनदर सेकेंड रूल इज देयर, आ का इया करना. व्हेन द लास्ट वर्ड एंडिंग विथ आ साउंड, व्हेन द लास्ट वर्ड ending with a sound, that time you can iya, that time you have to iya, you have to add and make it feminine. For example, you can see here chida is there. Chida means what? Bird is there. Chida means what? Bird is there. Now last sound what is there? Chida, a ki matra is there. This line indicates that a symbol is here, correct? So here a is there. So when we are making it feminine, so what we have to do there? Iya, iya, what you have to do there? E symbol what is there? Now you can see there, the small is there means left side of the letter is there. Small is there means what? Left side of the letter, and ya you have to join there. Suppose chida is there. When you are joining that, so what symbol is there? That you have to remove it there. So this you can remove. This aki matra you can remove there. This same to same chid you can write here. Here is your chid. Now this iya is there. E ki matra left side is there. So see, left side of the letter I have given here chidi. And what is there? Ya. Chidi ya. So this chida became chidia. Chida became chidia. So last word a sound was there. We added their iya and we got it. Chida is equal to chidia. Okay. Chida means bird, male bird, and chidia means female bird. Chidia means female bird. Now see here, in प्रत्यय जोड़ने से we can add in suffix. Pratyay means what? Suffix. Prefix and suffix are there now. Before the word, whatever we are joining there, that is prefix, and after the word, whatever we are joining there, that is suffix. For example, upsarga means what? Unhappy. Happy is the word, and un is a upsarga, prefix. So here pratyay means what? After the word we have to join this. Now happiness, happy is the word and ness is a pratyay. Okay, so in pratyay we have to add it there. Then now see there, sunar is there. Here one word is there, sunar. Sunar means what? Goldsmith. Now in you can join there. This e is equal to left side. This e is equal to left side matra is there. Okay, this e is equal to left side matra is there. Then what is there? In this here. So what will come there? See, sunar, for this ra, e ki matra you can join there. Then what is left now? Na is there. So sunarin. Sunarin. So sunar become sunarin. Sunar becomes sunarin. For example, chaudhary. Chaudhary become chaudharain. Chaudhary become chaudharain. Because here also what? Ain we are adding there. Chaudharain. This chaudhary is there. Chaudhary. So this matra you can remove there. When you are changing this you can remove. When you are making it, so I will again I will write and show you. Okay, this chaudhary word is there. So when you are making it feminine, so while making it, this re ki matra is there. This you remove this. Okay, and ain, a ki matra, this is a is there. A symbol what is there? Like this is there. One right side, a is equal to what is there? This. And what is left now? In. E and na. So what will become there? Chaudharain. What will become there? Chaudharain. So Chaudhary became Chaudharain. Okay. Then again fifth one rule is there here. Fifth one is there. What is this? Okay. Fifth one is there. That is a के साथ नी जोड़कर. Now here single letter will be there means in that a sound will be there. Single letter will be there means what? In that a sound will be there. So the last letter a sound is there. So ni you have to add it there. You have to add it ni. Sing same to same is there. You can write sing and only ni you have to join there. So singam is what? Lion and singani means what? Lioness. Singani means what? Lioness. Correct? So here ani lagakar. The ani words you can use there and it will become feminine. It will become strilingi. Ani lagakar. How? Example, set. Set ko ani laga do. This word set same to same is there. Correct? Ani. A is equal to what is there? Right side matra is there. And ni is balance here. Ni. Set, setani. Set, setani. So in this set you have added here ani. So set becomes setani. Now in lagakar. In also you can use and make it feminine from masculine. So for example, in lagagar, samp is there. Samp means snake. Samp means male snake. And sampin means what? Female snake. Sampin means what? Female snake. So see, sam became sampin. In means what? This e is equal to left side matra. E is equal to what is there? Left side matra. So samp same to same you can write here. This is left side matra is there here. Left side matra. Then what is balance here? Na is balance there. So this sam became sapin. Samp became sampin. Then ini lagakar. You have to make feminine with the help of ini lagakar. For example, smally, smam, swa, me. Swami means what? Owner. Swami means what? Owner or the God also we can say there. Okay. So ini lagakar. Swami. This when you are changing it, if last letter matra is there, when you are changing there, that you have to remove there. Correct. So here what will be there? I will tell you again. Here this Swami is there. So when you are ini you are using there. So what will come here? Swam you can write there. Ma you can write there. Now this is equal to left side matra is there. Left side matra is there. So swa me. Now what is balance here? Ni is balance there. So it became Swami ni. It became Swamini. So like this interchange of gender we have seen there, and these rules if you knew it there, then what will happen there? You can easily get it this. Once more I am revising this from here. Gender, linga means gender, and there are two types of gender majorly, pulling and strilinga. Which words indicating about male, that is pulling, and which words indicating about striling, that is female strilinga. Example, ghoda, tota, raja, more, these all words are male. These all words are male. And strilinga, ghodi, madha, tota, rani, morni, these all words are female there. That's why these are striling there. Interchange of gender. See, the last word will be there. The last word will be there. So what e symbol you can add it there and make change the gender. Nana becomes nani. Then here a is there means iya you can do there. Here see chida. A ki matra is there. Iya you can use there. Chidi ya will become there. Then in pratyay in pratyay you can add it there. So sunar, then suna rin will become there. Sunar will become suna rin. Okay. Then here what will the last letter what is there? The word's last letter will be there. So ni you can add it there. Ni you can add it there, and what will become there? This sing will become singani. This sing will become singani. Then ani. Ani also you can use there. Set is there. Set is there. So a symbol what is there? Right side of the matra. Right side of the matra. So the same set is there. A ki matra you have joined here. And what is balance here now? Ni is there. So this set becomes setani. Okay. So this set become setani. Okay. 7 now. In लगाकर करना है. Okay. In. So here samp is there. Samp means snake. Samp means snake. Sampin. Samp means snake, sampin. So sap in when you are using there, this e is equal to what is there? Left side of the matra. E is equal to what is there? Left side of the matra. Correct? So this sap same to same you can write there. Then this e symbol here e you have written there and balance what is there? Na is there. So sam became sampin. Correct? If ini if you are adding there, that time what will be there? This swami is there, this you can remove there. So swam, then iki matra swami ni. So like this we can change there, like this we can change there. Now see there in our daily life, how can we identify? These are the common words there we are generally seeing there, correct? But how, which words are always masculine and feminine? जो शब्द always क्या है, पुल्लिंग है और स्त्रीलिंग है, that we have to see now. How can we identify? Here Parvat, all the mountain names are there, that is masculine, pulling hai, all the mountain names pulling. Okay, then for example Parvat's name what is there? Aravali Parvat, Neelamani Parvat, Himalaya. These are the name of mountains, and mountains name always what will be there? Pulling will be there. Correct? Then mass. Mass means what? Months. Mass means what? Months. Always all months. This January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. These all names always what will be there? Pulling will be there. It is masculine gender. Correct? Graha. Graha means what? Our solar system stars are there, correct? Planets are there. These all planets are what? Pulling, except our Earth. Earth, it's feminine. Earth, it's feminine. Okay. Then Varo. These days are there. Varo days. Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, Guruvar, Shukravar. These all are always pulling. All are always pulling. Then what is that? Pedo. Trees are there. Trees are there. All the trees are in pulling only. Desh. Name of the countries. Name of the countries always what is there? Pulling is there, except Bharat. Bharat Mata, we will say that Mata means mother. So it's feminine. Sagar, all the oceans names. All the oceans name are masculine gender. Anaj, whatever we are eating, rice, dal, rice dal we are eating there now. These all names are belong to masculine gender, pulling. Mukh, this our body, some parts are there, that is also pulling. How? Mukh. See, मैं मुख से बोलता हूँ, बोलता, बोलती will come there means bal. This our hairs are there always pulling. Kan, our ear is there, that is always pulling. Okay, so now these are the things always pulling. Okay, always. Now Strilingi, feminine. How it will be? Always feminine. See, Nadi, all the rivers name. All the rivers names are feminine. Strilingi. Bhasha. What languages we are speaking there? Marathi, Hindi, Tamil. These all are मुझे मराठी आती है. I knew it Marathi. मुझे तमिल आती है. आता, आता is there means that is pulling. Ati will be there means what? Strilingi. Okay. Then Ankh. This our body parts are there. Ankh is feminine. Strilingi. Then Jib. This tongue is there. Tongue what is there? Strilingi is there. Baha. Our hand is there. This is also feminine. मेरे हाथ में चोट लग गई. गई. गई when will come there? Feminine will be there. Gaya will be there means what? Masculine will be there. Pulling will be there. Okay. Then Titiya. Titiya means what? This full moon and black moon we are seeing there. Full moon and black moon we are seeing there. Correct. So that is, for example, black moon is given there. Amavasya. This always what will be there? Feminine will be there. Bhasha. Languages are there here. Okay. Marathi, Tamil language. मुझे आती है. मुझे मराठी आती है. Here also I have written there Marathi, Tamil, आती. So generally, see there, the easiest technique I will tell you how to identify the gender. Okay, लिंग कैसे पहचानना है, मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा। समझो भी एक शब्द है, समझो भी घोड़ा है। हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस वर्ड यू कैन यूज इन द सेंटेंस। घोड़ा वहां पर खड़ा है, घोड़ा इज हॉर्स इज स्टैंडिंग देयर। घोड़ा वहां पर खड़ा, खड़ा, खड़ा मीन्स स्टैंडिंग। खड़ी, आ की मात्रा विल बी देयर, लास्ट लेटर आ की मात्रा विल बी देयर, last letter a ki matra will be there, so what will be there, always pulling will be there, okay, and last letter e ki matra will be there, so what will be there, feminine will be there. So what, see, घोड़ी, घोड़ी वहां पर खड़ी है। मैं आई विल राइट हियर दिस एग्जांपल। घोड़ा खड़ा है एंड घोड़ी खड़ी है। See how to identify now, you can see there here ghoda is there, khada, khada means what, stand. This a sound will come there for male, संजय सर वहां पर खड़ा है, ओके, अबाउट मी। और कोई मैम है, मैम वहां पर खड़ी है, खड़ी, सो खड़ी हियर घोड़ी, फीमेल इज देयर, सो खड़ी। अध्यापिका, योर टीचर इज देयर, फीमेल टीचर इज देयर मीन्स खड़ी है। ममता, ममता टीचर वहां पर खड़ी है, और यहाँ पर मेल विल बी देयर मीन्स व्हाट विल बी देयर, खड़ा विल बी देयर। सो यू कैन यूज दिस हियर। सी, तोता उड़ रहा है, तोता उड़ रहा है, एंड मादा तोता उड़ रही है, ही, ई केम देयर, हियर आ केम देयर, ओके। हियर यू कैन सी देयर राजा, राजा खाना खा रहा है, राजा खाना खा रहा है, एंड रानी खा रही, ई केम देयर, करेक्ट। So always you can see there a sound will come there, a sound for pulling, pulling, and e sound is for striling, striling, a sound is for striling there. So when you are framing the sentences, when you are framing the sentences, you can see there a and e sound also. So here you can see there again पर्वत, दिस माउंटेन इज देयर, हिमालय पर्वत खड़ा है, खड़ा, सी हियर, खड़ा है, सो मैस्कुलिन, पुल्लिंग है, करेक्ट। देन हियर फेमिनिन, नदी बह रही है, रही, ई केम देयर, करेक्ट। भाषा, लैंग्वेज, मराठी सी देयर, मैं मराठी बोल, मराठी मुझे आती है, मुझे मराठी आती, ई, ई केम देयर, so e came, that's why it is strilinga, that's why it is strilinga. So this is the easiest thing when you are identifying. If you are getting confused there, so make a sentence using that word, make a sentence using that word, correct. So what will happen there, now see, chappal, how to, this is chappal means slipper, meri chappal fat gayi, e, e, e came there, so what will be there, striling will be there, e came there means what, correct. Now see there, this duster, duster gir gaya, a came there, so what will be there, pulling will be there, correct. So this thing you have to keep it in mind. For example, the car khadi hai, the car is standing, car khadi hai, khadi, e came there, so car what is there, feminine is there, correct. साइकिल खड़ी है, साइकिल खड़ी है, सो साइकिल also what is there, feminine is there, but ट्रक खड़ा है, ट्रक खड़ा है, खड़ी we can't say that, so truck is a pulling, masculine, okay. So this thing only you have to keep it in mind there. Then I hope that you have understood. Once more I will revise this. Ling is a gender there, gender divided into two, one is masculine and feminine, pulling and striling. Which word indicates about masculine, that is pulling, and which word indicates about female, that is स्त्रीलिंगी, करेक्ट. सो हाउ टू चेंज द वर्ड्स, आ के जगह पर ई लगाकर करना है, आ के जगह पर ईया, इन के जगह पर इन लगाकर क्या करना है, फेमिनाइन करना है, आइन लगाकर करना है. Okay, then here knee you can add there and make it feminine. Ani you can add it there, so set will become setani. Then here in lagakar sap will become sampin. Ini lagakar this swami will become swamini. And these are the words always masculine pulling, always it won't change there. And here strilingi always this right side parvat mas graha varo pedo sagar anaj mukh bal kan, these all are pulling. And striling what is there, nadi bhasha aank jeep bah titiya amavasya bhasha marathi and Tamil, these all are feminine striling. So I hope that you have understood this lesson there. So by this only we are going to stop this. Thank you very much, have a good day.